Hi student, this is Sivakumar, 12th standard business mathematics and statistics, chapter number 7, continuation of exercise 7.1. Now problem number 14. 40% of business travelers carry a laptop. In a sample of 15 business travelers, first one, what is the probability that 3 will have a laptop? Second one, what is the probability that 12 of the travelers will not have a laptop? Then third one, what is the probability that at least 3 of the travelers have a laptop? First and the third subdivision, they are asked to find out those who have the laptop. But look at the second one, will not have a laptop. So what has been asked, that should be considered as success. Okay, here having the laptop should be considered as success. Here will not have a laptop should be considered as success. Okay, here n that is equal to 15 business travelers, that is n value. 40% of business travelers carrying a laptop, therefore 60% balance. Here 40% balance, 60% of business travelers don't carry a laptop. First subdivision, what is the probability that 3 will have a laptop? Therefore here you have to consider the probability of business travelers having a laptop. Percentage 40%, that should be considered as probability of success. That is equal to, you can divide by 20 table 2 times 5 times. Okay, that is equal to 0.4. Therefore Q that is equal to formula 1 minus P 1 minus 0.4, that is equal to 0.6. Now binomial distribution. Probability of capital X equal to small x, that is equal to NCX into P power x into Q power n minus x, and x can take the values 0 to n. Now, therefore, the question is probability that 3 will have a laptop. So, x that is equal to 3. Substitute in the formula. We know the value of n that is equal to 15. C, x value is 3. P value is 0.4. Here it is 0.4. And Q value 0.6. Here 0.6. Here power x value here it is 3. Here n minus x. Here n, here x. 15 minus 3, 12. I have written directly. 15 C3, you know how to write 15. Start with 15, keep on reducing 1, 15 and 14 and 13. Only 3 numbers in the numerator because we have 3 here. Numerator only 3 numbers. Denominator, since we have 3 factorial in the denominator. 3 into 2 into 1. Now 0.4 power 3 and 0.6 power 12. 0.4 power 3, that is 0.064. 0.6 should be multiplied for 12 times. You can make so the calculator. The approximate value is 0.00218. Here you can cancel by 3 table. How many times? 5 times. Cancel by 2 table 7 times. So 5 into 7 into 13. 455. 455 into 0.064. Equals 455 into 0.064 into 0.00218. If you multiply everything, you'll be getting 0.06348. Even you can write 0.063. If it is 5 or more than 5, you can add 1 with the previous digit. You know very well, the 4 becomes 5. So book answer 0.0634. We have got 0.0635. Already I have told you, the slight variation may be there in the decimal part. So nothing to worry. Mark will be given, full mark will be given. Now subdivision number 2. Subdivision number 2, what is the probability that 12 of the travelers will not have a laptop. Will not. Look at that. Will not have a laptop. Now that should be considered as success. Right? So here P that is equal to, so what about the percentage of the travelers don't carry a laptop? 60%. That should be considered as success. So P that is equal to 60%. 60 divided by 100, you can divide by 20 table 3 times and 5 times, that is equal to 0.6. Therefore, Q that is equal to 1 minus P that is equal to 1 minus 0.6, that is equal to 0.4. Binomial distribution, you know that table, you know the formula, you can straight away write. Therefore, probability of, here you are asked to find out the 12 of the travelers, therefore x that is equal to 12. You know the formula, NCX, n value is 15, C x that is 12, here P, here Q, P value 0.6, Q value 0.4, here power 12, here x, here 15 minus 12, 3 over here. Subtract and write over here. 15C12 can be written as 15C3 because NCR that is equal to NCN minus R. So according to that, 15C N minus R here 15 minus 12, 3. Both same only. Here 0.6 power 12 into 0.4 power 3. 15C3 you can write 15 into 14 into 13 divided by 3 into 2 into 1 divided by 3 table 5 times, 2 table 7 times. 0.6 power 12 we have written in subdivision number 1, that is 0.00218 approximate value. 0.4 power 3 that is equal to 0.064 equals 5 into 7 into 13 that is equal to 455 into 0.00218 into 0.064. The same numbers in that first subdivision. Look at that, 455, 064, 00218. So the answer, the same answer, 0.06348, or if it is rounded out to 4 decimal places, you can write 0.0635. Both the answers are correct. Okay. Now, subdivision number 3. In subdivision number 3, at least 3 of the travelers will have a laptop. So the percentage of the travelers carry a laptop, that is 40% given. That should be considered as success. Here P that is equal to 40 by 100 for the third subdivision. P that is equal to 40%, 40 by 100, you can divide by 20 table, or else you can directly write 40 by 100 that is equal to 0.4. Therefore, Q that is equal to 1 minus P that is equal to 1 minus 0.4 that is equal to 0.6. Therefore, the question is at least 3 of the travelers, at least symbol you know very well, greater than or equal to x, greater than or equal to 3. Greater than or equal to 3 means, so you know the value of n that is equal to 15. You start with the 3, ends with the 15. So more number of probability values to be calculated. So instead of that, you can go for the property. Property 1 minus probability of x greater than or equal to becomes less than 3. So write the property over here. Since probability of x greater than or equal to a can be written as 1 minus probability of x less than a, have applied the property over here. Now less than 3, only 0, 1 and 2. Excluding 3, 0, 1 and 2. So 1 minus probability of x equal to 0, probability of x equals 1, and probability of x equals 2. 1 minus. Now you can apply in the formula NCX, n value is 15. 15C0, double set of brackets. Here 15C1, double set of brackets. Next 15C2, double set of brackets. Here P value, here Q value. For the third subdivision, P value is 0.4 and Q value is 0.6. 0.4, 0.6, here 0.4, 0.6, 0.4 and 0.6. Here in the power x value, here it is, here x value 1, here x value 2. Here in the power n minus x, n here, x here, 15 minus 0, 15. 15 minus 1 is 14. 15 minus 2 is 13. Now we have to simplify. Equals 1 minus NC0 value is 1, therefore 15 0 is 1. Anything power 0 is 1. Only 0.6 power 15 plus NC1 value is n, therefore 15C value is 15. 0.4 power 1 is 0.4. 0.6 power 14, right as it is, plus 15C2, that is equal to 15 into 14 divided by 2 into 1. If we simplify, we will be getting here 7 times. 0.4 the whole square into 0.6 power 13 equals 1 minus. Here 0.6 power 13, here power 14, here power 15. So which one is the least? 0.6 power 13. That can be taken out. That's a common one. 0.6 power 13. So after taking 0.6 power 13, we have 0.6 power 2. That will be the balance. 0.6 power 2 into 1 into 1. That is equal to 0.6 power 2. Here 15 will be there. 0.4 will be there. We have taken 0.6 power 13 common. So one more 0.6 will be there. 0.6 plus 15 into 7, that is equal to 105 into 0.4 the whole square. We have taken 0.6 power 13 common. That's all. Now we have to simplify. That is equal to 1 minus 0.6 power 13. Actual value is 0.001306. This is the correct value of 0.6 power 13. So you may take 0.0013. Even you can take 0.00131 if it is rounded off to 5 places. Since it is 6, you can add 1 with the previous digit. So you will be getting 0.00131. So that's why I am telling the final answer may vary for each and every problem in the decimal part only, not in the integral part. So 0.6 power 13, I am considering 0.00131. I have rounded up to 5 decimal places. Okay. Now 0.6 the whole square, that is equal to 0.36 plus 15 into 0.4 into 0.6, that is equal to 0.24 plus 105 into 0.4 the whole square equal to 0.16. That is equal to 1 minus 0.00131 into 0.36 plus 15 into 0.24. 36. Here if you multiply these two, you will be getting 16.8 equals 1 minus 0.00131 into, you have to add everything, you will be getting 53.16. That is equal to 1 minus, then you have to multiply. Actually, if you multiply these two, you will be getting 3.6, not 36, 3.6. If you add everything, you will be getting 20.76. 20.76. Now you have to multiply these two. 0.00131 into 20.76. 0.0271956. Now you have to subtract. So I will be getting 0.97280044. Approximately you can write 0.9728. Since we have 0, nothing can be added with the previous digit. So you have to write 0.9728. approximately. So problem number 14 is completed. Then I'll be teaching the next problem in the next video. Thank you, children.